Why modify bodyweight workouts?
Bodyweight exercises are great for all fitness levels, but not every move is right for everyone. Modifying workouts helps prevent injury, boosts motivation, and ensures steady progress. By adjusting exercises to match your abilities, you'll build confidence and stay consistent, no matter your starting point or fitness goals.
Making exercises easier.
If you're new to exercise or need less intensity, there are simple ways to make movements more accessible. Reduce the number of reps or sets, slow down the pace, or use a wall or chair for support. For example, do push-ups on your knees or against a wall, and squats with a chair beneath you to limit depth.
Adding challenge for progress.
When you're ready for more, increase the difficulty by adding reps, sets, or reducing rest time. Try advanced variations like decline push-ups, jumping squats, or single leg lunges. You can also move more slowly during the lowering phase of each exercise to boost muscle engagement and strength.
Listening to your body.
Effective modification means paying attention to how your body feels. If you experience pain beyond normal muscle fatigue, choose an easier variation or rest. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. Over time, gradual adjustments allow you to safely increase intensity without risking burnout or injury.
Building your personalized routine.
Start by selecting basic exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Modify each move to fit your current ability. Aim for balanced effort across muscle groups and gradually adjust as you get stronger. With a few tweaks, a no-equipment workout can provide an effective, lifelong fitness routine for anyone.